The state has closed its case in the trial of suspected killers of slain Fairgrounds Holdings Chief Executive Officer Michael Montshiwa. Montshiwa was murdered in cold blood in October 2015, his lawyer David Modise becoming a prime suspect in the light of police investigations. By Friday last week, 32 witnesses had testified before Justice Dr Zein Kebonang of the Gaborone High Court. 6 years ago, investigators suffered a major setback when a key witness in the matter, Gaborone, went missing and was later found beaten to a pulp in the bush near Commerce Park in Kale. He was taken to Bokamoso Private Hospital, where he was hospitalized in the intensive care unit and later succumbed to head injuries. Kwaraye's death appears to have dented any progress that investigators had made, as they were only left with circumstantial evidence to attempt to conviction against Modise and his alleged accomplice Tumelo Tsugudu. When giving evidence last week, lead investigator Detective Senior Superintendent Sergeant Marapo told court that the late Kwaraye's statement indicated that on the 17th of October, a day before Montshiwa was murdered, Modise had borrowed bullets from him. According to Kwaraye, Modise said he wanted to give the bullets to his client Sitiso Sebonego, who wanted to shoot a cow. Detective Marapo said Kwaraye was the president of Three Chiefs Bikers Club, which Modise was a member. He further told the court that during his investigations, he requested a court order to get records of Modise's calls and messages from Mascom. Detective Marapo said on the night of the incident, at around 21:47 hours, Montshiwa had sent a text message to Modise which read, "David, are you still coming, Ampoke Robale? It is getting late." Marapo said Modise's call history shows that the same day, he called Montshiwa at 22:32 hours, and according to the neighbors who reported the incident, that was a few minutes before he was killed. He also said the network signal shows that at 22:45 hours, Modise was at Botswana Bureau of Standards, and that the gun that was used to kill Montshiwa was discovered near that place in a trench. He also said the network signal also shows that at 22:45 hours, Modise was at Botswana Bureau of Standards, and that the gun that was used to kill Montshiwa was discovered near that place in a trench. Detective Marapo further said in a statement written by one of Modise's friends, Isaac Sebonego, Modise once told him there was someone intending to destroy his future and that he had taken a decision to eliminate that person. He said Sebonego also indicated that after Montshiwa was killed, he called Modise to ask if he heard about the incident, and his response was, that guy was a nuisance. During cross-examination, the defense attorney Ofense Kumomotse questioned the chain of custody of the exhibit being the gun. Kumomotse put it to the investigating officer that he did not know the chain of custody and therefore could not exclude tampering with the evidence when the gun exchanged many hands. He made an application of no case to answer. Justice Kebonang in his ruling said he had listened to the evidence during trial and that it was clear to connect the bullet to the gun, as the ballistics expert had confirmed that the bullet cover found at the scene matched the weapon. He, however, said when the state and defense make their submissions, they need to state what connects the hands of the accused to the gun. The matter will come for argument on the 13th of February. Posham Lilo, reporting for The Voice Online.